guided meditation to reset. This time will be dedicated to you. For the next 5 minutes, you will be the priority. Sit down comfortably and make sure your spine feels supported and aligned to allow for good energy flow. Activate your abdominal muscles. Here's where your power resides, and this power gives support to your back and your whole body. Start deepening your breath. Now is when you choose your freedom, when you choose to release what's not serving you. Everything that's blocking your healing process. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Begin by releasing any physical tension you might be carrying. Find that pressure you sometimes put on yourself and picture it leaving your body. You feel more and more relaxed with each breath you take. You are able to let go of everything, even if it's just for this meditation. You are starting to feel more you. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Also release any emotions you are holding on to. You can identify each one of them and observe them as separate from you. Those emotions don't belong to you. They are not part of your essence. Emotions come and go, so start practicing paying attention to them without attaching any other meaning to them. As this process becomes more natural to you, you start feeling lighter. It may require some practice. For most of us, it does. Keep breathing in and out deeply. Now do the same as you observe your mind. Are there any thoughts keeping you stuck? Keeping you in the past? What thoughts are taking away your focus? Catch them, identify them, but try not to become absorbed by them. Thoughts are not real. They come and go. They actually never stop coming and going. Let them flow freely and without any judgment. This may also take its time, and it's okay. Now, just for a couple of seconds, bring to your mind the patterns you would like to change, the things you would like to do different, the things you don't like about yourself. Considering that your mind is designed to want to expand what it focuses on, erase those thoughts quickly and instead ask yourself which patterns you would like to have. Focus on the things you love about yourself and think about how you would like to react in certain situations. Pick one to start with. Visualize the change you want to see in your life, how you'd like to react, what things you'd like to do instead. Watch yourself behaving that way freely and authentically, fully motivated and energized. Take a minute to create your reality right now. Breathe in and out deeply, and when you feel ready, close this practice.